Hello, today we will guide you through how to ban someone from a Facebook business page. In this walkthrough, we'll show you a straightforward way to block a problematic follower directly from your page so they can no longer comment, message, or interact with your business. Start by opening Facebook in your browser or the app and make sure you're signed into an account that has admin or manager access to the business page. That access is important because only people with page permissions can ban users. Next, look to the top right of the screen and click your profile picture. This opens the account and profile switcher. From here, select your business page so you're acting as the page rather than your personal profile. If you manage multiple pages, take a moment to choose the correct one. Once you're viewing your business page, go to the Pages Profile area at the top left. This takes you into the page's main profile view, where you can see all of the tabs related to your page's audience and activity. From here, open the Followers section. This is where Facebook lists people who follow your page and can see your updates in their feed. In the followers list, find the person you want to ban. If the list is long, scroll carefully and double-check the profile to be sure you have the right individual. When you've located them, click the three dots next to their name to open the action menu and choose Block. Facebook will ask you to confirm. Approve the action to complete the ban. After you block someone from your page, they won't be able to follow you, message the page, comment on your posts, or react to your content. This is stronger than simply removing them as a follower, which only stops their subscription but doesn't prevent future interactions. Use blocking when someone is harassing your business, violating your community standards, or repeatedly posting spam. A few practical tips as you work through this. If your interface looks slightly different, you may be on a newer or older layout. The option names are usually similar, so look for followers or people and the three-dot menu next to each profile. Consider documenting why you blocked the account, especially if multiple team members manage the page. And remember, you can reverse this later by unblocking the profile if the situation changes. That's it. You've gone to Facebook, switched to your business page, opened your page profile, navigated to followers, and used the three-dot menu to block the user. Thanks for watching, and keep your community safe by applying these steps whenever needed.